Okay, guys, have you ever tried explaining product variations to your customers, like different sizes, levels, or specs, and just ended up with a boring plain text list that nobody actually reads? Yeah, that never really works. Well, this section completely solves that problem. Today we're adding this feature comparison section to your store, and honestly, it's such a clean and visual way to compare different product variants side by side. It makes decision making so much easier for your customers. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Guide. You'll only find one section with this exact name. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where all your purchase sections live. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and just like that, the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once it's ready, click on Add Section, search for Guide, and select that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. And honestly, this part is so simple. First, let's check if this section actually matches the demo section I showed you earlier. Yep, same section, exactly as promised. Now let's see what all we can customize here. I know everything is customizable here, just like a template. Things like colors, headings, padding, font size, font style, all of it. Now let's add images to these cards. I only have a few product images ready, so I'll select them one by one for each card, and you'll do the same for your own products. After adding the images, let's change the background color of these cards. I'll go with white here, and let's set this one to white as well. Now here's an interesting option, highlight this level. This basically lets you make any specific card stand out from the rest. Let's leave that one as it is for now. After changing the colors for all the cards, let's move on to the heading and description. Let's change the heading to subscribe. Yeah, you already know what's coming by now. Now let's scroll down and you'll keep finding more options to customize. For example, let's change the top padding from 40 to 68, and let's set the bottom padding to 68 as well. Now let's change the font style. Click on it and search for the one I want. Right now I'm going with Poppins, and let's select it. After that, we move on to the colors. Things like the section's background color, the heading color, the description color, and even the gradient colors on the cards. You can customize all of these based on whatever fits your own store's branding. Once you're happy with everything, just hit save, and let's check it out in view mode to see how it looks. Alright guys, I've already talked a lot about this section, so now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know how this section looks to you. And honestly, tell me what kind of problems you're running into while managing your own Shopify store. I genuinely love to help out where I can.